What's going on, everybody? Josh here. Let's make another quick video showing you the Service plastic skid plate. You can pick this skid plate up online depending on where you buy it, somewhere between about $60 and $75. I'll put a link to it in the description where you can buy it and where I bought it at. There's a lot of options out there. The most popular one that I found with research for the 250L, most people go with the Flatlands Racing skid plate, which is an aluminum metal one, which I didn't want a metal one just because I've heard it can resonate sound and be a little annoying at certain RPMs and on highway. So I wanted something quieter and lighter. So the next best one was a plastic skid plate, which a Service makes one. So this is how it looks installed on the bike. As for protection, I think it's a really good quality plastic. It's very strong. I don't have a doubt in my mind that if I hit something, it wouldn't protect the bike. On the front here, it comes out past the water outlet on the case here, so it would protect the metal here if something got hit. Protects the oil filter housing and the frame all the way down to here. On the front, it's got this, so the stock one usually mounts at this location, and it's got a metal bracket that comes with it so you can install it. You don't have to do anything special to install the skid plate. It just comes with this bracket, and this right here, it screws directly in where the old skid plate, or the stock skid plate that came with it, goes. And as for in the rear, it's got a metal bracket in there. I know it might be hard to see because of lighting, but it slips over the rear right here, and it just kind of hooks in. And then you have these two screws right here that go where the stock one was. So very easy, quick installation. Took me less than 10 minutes to install it. If we come around to the other side, protection over here is also really great. Comes out pretty far. Again, really thick stuff. If you hit something right here, it protects this side of your engine very well. Protects the whole frame down here from getting dented, the whole bottom side. And another thing, I would just take the skid plate off when I do my oil change, but you have the option of using these two holes here for if you need to change your oil. You can actually reach up in there and drain your oil through those access holes. If you want to do it, you can, but for me, I think it's just easier to take these out, and then it just comes right out with two screws, and then you can clean underneath there while you're doing your oil change. Just gives you better access. Anyways, thanks for watching. Again, if you want to see more content, more reviews on mods and things I do to this bike, please feel free to subscribe. If you like this video, want to see more like it, hit the like button, and thanks for watching.